Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Now, how we shall meet death? Like cats and dogs? Then what is the use of this human form of life? The cats and dogs, they have got body. They all also will meet death. And I have got body, I will also meet death. So, am I meant for meeting death like cats and dogs? Then what kind of human form human being I am? No. The Shastra says that labdha sudullamamidam bhusambhavante. After many evolution of different kinds of body, you understand the evolutionary theory. It's not exactly like Darwin's theory, but this evolutionary process is there, that is admitted in Vedic literature. From lower grade of animal life to the higher grade of animal life. So this human form of life is to be understood. We have got this human form of life after many lower grades of life. Labdha sudullamam. And it's very rare. You count, those who are biologists, you count how many kinds of living entities are there. There are 8,400,000 of species of life. Out of that, the human being are very small quantity. Out of 8,400,000, the human species of life are 400,000. Compared with other animals, very small quantity. Out of that there are uncivilized men, many. They are almost animals. Then there is civilized form of human being, just like we are. Out of them, they do not know, they do not know what is spiritual life. Manusanam, that is also stated in the Bible. Manusanam sahasri. Out of many thousands of human beings, one is interested to make a solution of the problem. Not everyone. Everyone, they do not know what is the problem. Neither they do care for it. They think, all right, let there be problem. We have got this life, let us enjoy senses. So they are almost animals. But those who are inquisitive, how to solve the problem, they are actually accepted as human beings. Others, they are not even human beings. They are almost animals. So, we have got this opportunity, but this body should be utilized properly. How to solve the problem? If we simply give ourselves in the waves of the cycle of birth and death, of different types of body, that is not very good, not intelligence at all. So this human form of life should be utilized how to make solution of the problem. That is Vedic civilization. They stressed more on the solution of the problems, create problems. The materialistic way of life means to increase and create problems. That is not perfect human civilization. The perfect human civilization is that you have to sit very calmly, quietly and philosophically think how to solve this problem. Where I shall get the knowledge? This is human concept. The whole Vedic instruction is like that. Now you utilize this form of life to make a solution of the problem. Don't die. Before death comes, you make a solution. Don't die like cats and dogs. No. And one who tries, the Veda says, etad viditya prayati sa brahmana. One who dies after attempting to make a solution of the problems, he is Brahmin. And one who dies like cats and dogs, he is called Kripana. Kripana means very less intelligent man. So we should not die like cats and dogs, we should die like Brahmin. Even in one life this solution is not made, then you get next life opportunity. Just like all these boys who have come to us, it is to be understood that they tried in their last life also for making a solution of this problem, but it was not finished. There is another opportunity. These things are stated in the Bhagavad-gita. So now, this life, you should be determined. Those who are coming to the touch of Krishna consciousness and initiated to execute, they should be very determined that in this life we shall make a solution. No more. No more coming again. That should be our determination. So this Krishna consciousness movement is for this purpose, to make a solution of all the problems of life and go back to home, back to Godhead, where we get eternal, blissful life of knowledge. This is the seventh substance of Krishna consciousness movement.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.